Alright, so hi everyone. Welcome to our lesson for creating resume and proposal. So, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng chance na mataas na chance to be hired na magandang client, so dapat maganda rin yung iyong resume. Alright? So, dito, syempre, ilalagay mo yung professional summary, di ba? So, mamaya ay magpapakita ko sa inyo ng example ng resume na pwede niyong gayahin sa client ninyo. So, of course, dapat nandun yung full name mo, yung mobile number mo, di ba? Yung professional summary mo, and then yung professional email. Kung may LinkedIn profile ka, mas okay. Huwag ilalagay yung birthday, religion, civil status. Okay? So, yung skills, importante, no? Kapag ka nag-work kayo, nag-apply kayo ng regular work, usually ito, hindi ito nalalagay. Pero sa ngayon, kapag online kayo nag-a-apply, at least, by the way pala, yung professional summary nyo, at least 3 to 4 sentences lang kung yung sentence nyo, sasabihin nyo kung sino kayo at paano kayo makakatulong. Okay? And then, yung highlight mo sa skills mo, it's really important na ilagay ito kasi ito yung hinahanap ng client talaga. So, email management, calendar management, data entry ba kayo, social media management ba yung key skills mo, Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, ChatGPT, CRM tools, or research appointment setting. So, mas okay kung relevant lang ang ilalagay. Kaya kung nag-a-apply ka as a chat support, syempre, ilalagay mo lang dun yung relevant skills na pwede mong ilagay. Alright? And then, sunod nyo yung work experience. Kahit hindi pa VA ang previous work mo, pwede pa rin. So, gamitin mo lang yung format na job title, yung company name, kailan ka nag-start, nag-end, di ba? So, basta meron kang experience with that kind of work. And of course, you have to check on the things that you've done there. So, lagi kang gumamit ng action words at ipakita mo yung contribution mo. Halimbawa, organized reports and documents, managed customer inquiries, scheduled meeting and appointment. Kung appointment setter lang yung ina-applyan mo. Okay, next is your education and certifications. Ang school, degree, year graduated. But hindi naman particular dyan si client, no? They are particular more on skills. So, sa certification, kung may natapos kang online course, ilagay mo lang siya. Okay? So, yung mga natapos mong course, hindi yung natapos kung anong grade ka, pero pwede din naman ilagay mo kung related siya sa pinag-a-applyan mo. Alright? So, yung tools natin, let's go back. So, tools that you know. So, napakahalaga din ito para makita agad ng client ang expertise mo. Halimbawa, ang mga tools na kaya mong gamitin ng software sa ChatGPT, Canva, Trello, Asana, Slack, Zoom, Google Drive, Microsoft Excel, Notion, and ClickUp. So, keep your resume to one page kung beginner ka lang, gumamit ka ng clean design, madaling basahin, at walang spelling or grammar mistakes. Kasi ang goal mo is, hindi ikwento ang buong buhay mo, kundi ang goal mo is ma-convince mo sila na ikaw ay dapat nilang i-interview. Okay? So, nandyan yung client testimonials, pwede mo ilagay yan. Okay? So, kung gusto mo matutunan kung paano gumawa ng mga world-class VA resume, portfolio, at kung ano-ano pa at paano makuha ang high-paying clients, follow this page and join our training. See you on our next video.